We are grateful to our sponsors, Kelly Stafford with Stafford Tree Service and also Black Kow Cow Manure. If you need your trees trimmed locally, remember Stafford Tree Service at staffordtreesvc.com, and please visit Black Kow Cow Manure, that's K-O-W. Remember, both of the contact details are in the description below. One of the beauties of the world is to have herbs. This is one that I recently found, and it's called chocolate mint. And you can see that the stems kind of have a reddish hue to them, almost chocolatey in color. This plant has the, of course, mint flavor, but it has a little hint of chocolate to it. So you can see where you could use this in desserts, you could use it in salads, you could make tea from it, and you're going to get something that's quite nice to have in your yard or garden. Remember, when you're growing this, it likes a good deal of water. If we take it out of the container, we'll see that it has a pretty extensive root system. It likes it moist. You can see here that it's planted in a perlite and peat type mix. If you've got an area with its full sun to partial shade, the mint family really does well. Now outside it can almost start to take over, so you may want to keep it in a large container like this one. You can see that this would fit into here nicely. I'd add some peat moss, I'd add some Black Kow Cow Manure, I'd improve the soil, and if you do that, you're going to have fantastic results with the mint family in general. Now this particular family is more in the spearmint family than it is the true mint. Now they're both mints, but we think of this in the spearmint groups a little bit off, if you will, from regular mint. This one, of course, has the nice flavor. It has that really nice little fragrance. You can just kind of touch the leaf. And if you're like I am, if I'm walking through the yard or garden, I like touching plants that are aromatic, and this one is. So it's going to give you something you could make tea from, you could add to salads, you could add to dessert. Think of adding this to the top of a new chocolate pie, chocolate cake. You could have some actual mint on there. You're going to find 101 uses for this chocolate mint in your garden. I'd make sure it stays moist. It'll dry a little bit. It'll take partial shade, but it really does best where it's getting probably 5 or 6 hours of good sun a day. If you want to use a water soluble, I'd probably do that once a month during the growing season. I'd improve the soil. I'd add some extra peat. I'd add some extra cow manure, maybe even some perlite to make a really light, friable soil. Chocolate mint's one of those plants that you can find a million uses for, and you can see that it's going to be a nice addition. Could be a ground cover in your landscape. Often it's going to be used in a decorative container near the kitchen. You can grow them inside. It will take to near freezing. If it gets below freezing, you need to bring it in, or at least bring some cutting in so you can do it again. Remember, new videos will be dropping in your favorite social media platform every Saturday at 10 a.m. So if you like this video, we want you to subscribe below. And once again, thank you for watching.